Classroom trivia made possible by flippity.net. I have already made the slides for you, so you can use it as you please, share it, I don't care, just have fun with it. I'll show you how to use it. Here we go. Alright, normally I would do 2 teams, so you just hit the minus and it'll just take away the 2 teams like that, or you can add more if you want to, it's up to you. Alright, I do 2 teams just to keep it simple. Alright, and then you can change the name. Let's change team 1 to Team OCD. And let's just change this team to Team USA. Alright, here are the categories. So I went ahead and did the categories for you. Animals, opposites, I'll explain that later. Things about water, things about K-pop or Korea, things about the world. And then I left this blank. Blank is nothing because I just got lazy. Okay, so Team OCD goes first and they decide, okay, 100 for animals. And have the students read the question. What kind of animal is Dora's pet? Boots. They'll have to answer first, and once they have given you the answer, you click the question again, and it will reveal the answer. If they get it right, you just give them a check mark, which gives them a little ding sound, and it gives them the points. And then you click into the slide again, it'll go back into the main menu. Now it's Team USA turn, so the next student decides to pick, okay, let's try opposite for 300. So for opposite for 300, they have to figure out the word that's opposite of bad and day, okay, which is good night. All right, so they say good night, they get it right, perfect. You give them a check mark, ding, 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 ding. Okay, let's do one where the student gets the answer wrong. So for this question, let's say they can't answer it, they don't know it, they get it wrong, and then you just click X. I'll put a bit.ly link in the video just because TikTok is very weird about adding links. So it's going to be bit.ly/3 capital O lowercase y capital O lowercase p capital Y capital N. Enjoy and have fun.